Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the model name and the model number on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here tap on about phone. Now from here scroll down and tap on detailed info and specs. Now from here if you scroll down, you can check the model number of your smartphone. Now to check the model name of your smartphone, just scroll down and tap on status. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, you can check the model name of your smartphone. Now as you can see, the model name of our smartphone is Poco C75. And this is how you can check the model name and the model number on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.